Hi everybody, I'm Norma, the chef here at Brooks Winery. Today we're going to be going over the perfect pairing for April, which is a seared flank steak with artichoke puree and a very glorious Gremolata. It is going to be paired with our 2021 Amycas, the Italian flat leaf parsley. Take a couple shallots. A little bit of minced garlic, lemon zest. I'm going to add a little bit of olive oil. So we'll set that aside. This right here is a Jerusalem artichoke. I'm going to do very thin slices. So next we have our steaks here. These are about 6.5, 7 ounces. And we're only gonna just season them with salt and pepper. Just gonna add a little bit of olive oil here. And we're just gonna take the flank steak. Push it right in. And now, nice color. We're gonna put them in the oven for 7 minutes at 425. So this is the puree for the dish, cooked Jerusalem artichokes, and then it is blended with salt, whole butter, and a garlic infused cream until it is completely smooth. And then we're just going to warm it up on the stovetop. We have the artichoke that we just sliced. Take all of that into here. We're gonna let these get golden. So what we have here is some fresh watercress. To this, I'm just gonna add a little bit of citrused olive oil and just a pinch of salt. You wanna cut it against the grain, so the grains are running this way. So I'm going to cut the opposite direction. Nice and pink. So for plating, we're just gonna take a little bit of the artichoke puree. Take this watercress here. I like to take the steak next. Just set it right on top. Going to take some of this Gremolata we just made. Spoon that right over the top here. Take some of those crispy little chips. The perfect pairing for April. The best part of this is trying it. So, here we go. This goes extremely well. The Amycas is a very versatile wine. I wanted to pair it this month with a red meat. The creaminess of the artichoke puree and the brightness of the Gremolata and the saltiness of the chips and the steak really, really, really just complement this extremely well. It's just so good to just drink on its own too, so. Yeah. Well, I really hope that you guys can make it in this month. I say it a lot, but you will not be disappointed. This is very good. That's a whip. Cheers. I'm taking this home.